Crawford, and this is Pink Boots Underground in collaboration with Voices of Faith, Vote for Fleming, as well as MUSAC, Mankind United Saving African Children. We're doing all of this because I have a dear friend that lives in Conyers, and when she was out of power, we didn't understand it. When we found out, and I actually saw the devastation in my own backyard, I knew we had to jump to the start. But basically, Pink Boots Underground, it has 3 state Senate resolutions and 1 bill that we proposed. However, during COVID, we became essential workers and we start responding to disasters. And I believe that God wanted me to be a disaster relief advocate. So when disasters show up, one thing happens: human trafficking increases because the vulnerable get trafficked. So it's great that we became disaster relief because we're there for 2 purposes. We're there to serve God's people, but to protect them as well. Thank you for coming out. Thank you, Common Ground. And we exit to look for us on www.pinkbootswithaz.com. And you can always call me. I'm always on the phone. It's public. 404-454-4601. We'll show up for God and his people. Thank you. Yes. This makes me feel good. I would never have dreamed that.
Oh, she's been here before, but yeah, you can leave a donation with Miss Kim. She's the young